bonus reading for June the 12th to June the 13th, air signs. Your cards are the Five of Charisma, the Hangman, and the Six of Intelligence. Merong nahimasmasan dito. Heightened siguro yung energy nitong taong to, kaya nakapagsabi na ayoko na, tama na, itigil na natin to. Let's call it quits. Now, habang nandun siya sa journey or siguro pauwi siya, or baka nung mag-isa na lang siya, bigla niya naisip, I think mali yata yung decision ko na sabihin ko yon. Hindi ko naman talaga minimid. Six of Intelligence. Enlightenment is here. Siguro nga na ano yung galit, no? Na masyadong nangibabaw yung galit, yung ines. The Five of Charisma is clarified with the Ace of Charisma and the High Priestess. Mas pipiliin ni person yung ayusin yung problema, magsimula uli. With the High Priestess, medyo nandito na yung grounding ni person. So parang napapansin niya, hindi kailangan laging ego ang nauuna or nangingibabaw. So this is your bonus reading for June the 12th to June the 13th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.